Hello friends, I Pankaj Dumka welcomes you all to this discussion on Vedic mathematics. So today what we will be doing is we will be we will be trying to find out the squares of number which are ending in 5. So let us say I want to square 15. Okay, 15 square. Now this is nothing but 15 into 15. So you do what? You try to find out the square of 5, that is 25. Okay, and then you increase 1 onto the tens place and then multiply with the 1, that is, this is 1, you multiply this with 1 more than this number, that is 2. So this will be 225. Okay, let us say I want to square 25. So this is 25 into 25. So what you will be doing is you will be multiplying this, that means squaring 5, that is 25, and then you are multiplying with the tens place number 1 more, that is 2 plus 1 is 3. So this will be 625. So let us say you want to square 35, that is 35 into 35. So square it 25 and then multiply 3 with 1 more, that is 4. So this will be 1225. Let us say you want to square 45. So this will be 45 into 45. So you square this 5 or multiply these two the same, and you multiply 4 with 1 more, that is 5. So 5 4s are 20, 25 is the answer. Let us say you want to square 85. So this will be 85 into 85, and this will be then, so this will be 5 5s are 25. So this will be 25. Okay, and then 8 multiplied by 1 more than 8, that is 9. So this will be 9 8s are 72, 25. Let us say you want to square 105. Okay, so this is 105 into 105. So 5 into 5, 25, and then you have 10 here. So 10 into 1 more than 10, that is 11. So that will be 11025. So let us say you want to square 125, that is 125 into 125. Okay, so this 5 5s are 25, and this is 12 into 30. Okay, so in the previous case I have explained you how to multiply any number 2 digit. So this is 3 2s are 6. Then you do what? Then you multiply this also vertically, that is 1. Then you cross at 3 plus 2, that is 5. So this will be 1 5 6 2 5. Simple. So in this way you can square any number which is ending with 5. So once again I am repeating, you just have to do what? You have to square this up or multiply these two, you will be getting this. Then here whatsoever the number is, you will add 1 to that number and then multiply, you will be getting the square of that number. So friend, in this lecture till this point only. In the next lecture I will be making this thing general, so that any two numbers can be multiplied provided their their unit digit add up to 10. So here also what is happening, the unit digits are adding up to 10. Okay, so thank you very much. If you liked it, then please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much. Take care.